Hey, what's up, Quincy? Corey here. Real quick, I'm gonna shoot over those tips so we can actually take your website on that first page of Google and start bringing in those leads online. The first thing I'm actually gonna go over is content. Everything that you see is content, which Google's very content driven. All these images, this all has content behind it as well. You got HVAC technician. And then also your name in there as well. I'd keep that up in your logo. Keep that really specific with those keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings and increase your word count up to about 2,000. So that way you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for. Kind of give you an idea here. If I go inside of Google, type in HVAC Cliffside Park NJ, this is what you're going to see. You have this little map section here at the very top. Bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top, even multiple pages as well. And to get right here so you can actually get those leads coming in this little listing, you're going to be dealing with all these things called citations. Citations are just all just business directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on them. So ideally what we'd want to do is go get these same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously want to go out and outrank them as well. So I would go out and get 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms and whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all that work that you did in this listing. Underneath this GMB or that Google My Business listing there, we have that first page of Google. This is where all that organic traffic lands right here on that first page. And to get your website found right there, you're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure you're found for those keywords, what people are actually searching for, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites, linking right back to your website, just driving power to your site so you can actually get on that first page of Google. And I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool. It lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you got 10 referring domains pushing back 82 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had about 123 there. This is the last 3 months of your site. Here's a history. 5 keywords you're being found for, which in return you're getting about not getting really any clicks to your site. Here's your keywords that you're actually ranking for right here. Let me show you one of your competitors. I stuck American Way inside of Ahrefs as well. Here's some of their keywords. We can actually cherry pick some of these keywords that you actually want to rank for. Some of these keywords come like HVAC Jersey City NJ. If that would work for you, there's 20 clicks right there. As long as we do some backlinking, we can get a 1 or 2 jobs from that one keyword. Plumber, Dover, NJ, if that'll work for you. So just really finding a few of these keywords that's really going to help you drive more and more traffic to your business. So really just figuring out which ones will actually work for you. Anyway, I love to put a custom game plan so you can actually drive that traffic and help grow your business. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Bye.